Hi everyone, my name is Christine and I'm a type 1 diabetic. I am doing these videos as a way to share different, easy recipes that will not spike your blood sugars. My grandmother encouraged me to do this as I helped her reverse her type 2 diabetes, kidney damage, lose weight, and get active all at age 78. It's never too late to get healthy and manage your blood sugars. I want to encourage people to get active and eat things that don't spike their blood sugars to help prevent diabetic complications. I do want to mention I am not a medical doctor and encourage viewers to consult with their physician on any specific individual questions.
All right, so here's our ingredients that we're going to be using today. The sausage I have purchased has about 1 carb per serving. That may vary depending on what you buy. Here's some cheese here. That's about 1 carb per serving. I have some steak seasoning. The amount we're going to be using is very minimal, so at 1 carb at most. We have a mini avocado, which I just absolutely love these guys. They have around 4 to 6 carbs per serving, depending on the size and basically how big the pit is in the middle. We're going to be using a little bit of arugula. Arugula is absolutely one of my favorite vegetables. I like the spicy taste of it. I really think it plays up on the eggs really nicely. Also, you could, I believe a serving size is about 2 cups, which is a lot. Today we're going to be probably using maybe a quarter cup or so. So depending on how much you like or don't like it, that'll kind of change your carb count there. So today I'm going to be using about a half cup, which I believe is about 1 carb or so. My pan's preheated here. Basically use oil to your liking. I tend to be a little more heavy oil. I enjoy fried eggs, as you can see. Feel free if you don't like that, feel free to scramble or, basically poach them, whatever works for you. I absolutely love Montreal steak seasoning on my eggs. I think it is just absolutely fabulous. So I feel free to give it a try. It's one of my favorites. I highly recommend it. I put it on a lot of vegetables, as you'll see in later videos. All right, so basically my egg is just about done. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a little bit of fresh arugula on my plate. I like to basically put the egg on top of the arugula. I don't care for cooked arugula. You can do that if you would like. It's just not something I enjoy, but feel free to modify that how you like it. So basically what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to go ahead and put that right on top of that arugula. It'll kind of warm it up without wilting it too much, which I like. We're going to go ahead and sprinkle some cheese on the top. I really love Monterey Jack. Of course, I'll switch this up just to change things up. Maybe like cheddar or American, basically whatever works for you. Feel free to do that. And we're still waiting on the sausage, but go ahead and flip that. Um, while that's cooking, the cheese is kind of melting along with the cheese or with the egg and the arugula. So we'll go ahead and just let that set. And I'm going to get a few things cleaned up while we're waiting for the sausage to cook. So our sausage is just about done here. As you can see, that cheese kind of has that melty texture, really nice there. We're going to go ahead and start cutting up the avocado, get that ready for when the sausage is done. And I love putting a little bit of salt on this guy. And, feel free to, skip the avocado if you don't care for them. Basically whatever works for you. I like to just basically kind of square this up here so you can see, and I just kind of squeeze it in on top there, and we'll go ahead and do that. Now I'm going to get some salt and sprinkle that on top of my avocado. I tend to run a little low on my sodium levels, so I have to eat a lot of salt. So don't freak out. I'm working with my doctor. My sodium levels, if I don't do this, are super low. So anyway, there we go. So we've got our sausage ready to go here. So we'll go ahead and just throw that right on top. If you like that to the side, feel free to do that too. But basically, there we go. So we have some sausage and eggs, a little bit of a play up with some vegetables, getting in our servings there. And I happen to love vegetables. Not only are they good for you, but basically, if you pair them with the correct foods, they can taste absolutely wonderful. And eggs and arugula are just one of my favorites. All right, well, thank you, folks. Hope you enjoyed this video, and till next time.